stone steps, covered in sky dust, echo in my chest like a mouth that forgot his name. He said, is this the place of rootedness? Wrote it in the air with the fingertip of breath. Empty temple, only wind on the altar. Jaguar in the distance, stalking through my doubt. Flowers in the courtyard, well before I finish the question, how fragile is a crown carved from cloud? Can anything stand for long on this slippery earth? Yeah. Mud on my faith-worn sandals, hands on the cracking dirt. We build our names like palaces, then watch them turn to mist on the slippery, slippery earth. Even the gods can't clench a fist. King with the crack ball, sharing soup with the thunder, rice poems in the margins of a trembling day. Gold mask stacked in the storeroom, but his heart keeps staring at a single fallen leaf. He says, who measured rivers could not measure time. So he leaves the temple hollow, lets absence be the idol. A room full of nothing that reflects everything back. Anything stand for long on this slippery earth? Tell me. Mud on my faith-worn sandals, hands on the cracking dirt. We build our names like palaces, then watch them turn to mist on the slippery, slippery earth. Even the gods can't clench a fist. If nothing stays, should I care so deeply? If nothing stays, why does it cut so steeply? He laughs in the echo, child, that's the word. Flower in the mouth of death, song in the throat of the earth. Can anything stand for